Hello and welcome on our small YouTube channel from JB Toys and in my storage room here, my private collection, which is quite horrible at the moment, but nevertheless I want to share with you a new review video. This time it's the 10309, the Succulents, and it's one set of the Botanical Collection. Most of these sets are quite nice, so I'm looking forward to building this right now. 771 pieces, 50 euros, and unfortunately an exclusive set from lego.com. But nevertheless, you can buy it in our local toy store, jbspielwaren in Oberhausen, Germany, or visit us online in our online shop. Yeah, that's it for the moment. If you ever watch a video from us, you might know that we will always start with an unboxing of this set here. No minifigures included and no play functions. So the speed build will follow the unboxing and then a detailed review. Thanks for watching in advance and yeah, have fun with this video. Well, the build is done and nearly 800 parts are now included in this decorative Succulents parts pack. Very interesting parts. I really like this dark red one here. The part usage of these tooth elements is quite nice. The shoulder pads of the Stormtrooper construction figure here is really cool, and all the X in light yellowish green is a fantastic succulent as well. The result is quite impressive from my point of view. It's a 50 euro set and it fits perfectly on a table. It doesn't look like Lego from a couple of meters away, so the result is very, very realistic, which is the best way to to rate this set, because it should look like a real plant and succulents and not like Lego. So the result is quite nice and very good. The part usage is fantastic. It's very cool and fast built, included in 9 different sections. We can have a detailed look to the building instruction here, where you can see also some kind of description for all the different succulents here. This one is Knights of the Succulents, and the Latin name is Echeveria. You can see here all together, and we do have a tiny possibility to store all these spare parts. Yeah, what else can I say? No play functions included, and of course not. The result is very cool. It's a fantastic Lego set from my point of view. It fits perfectly on a table. It's as good as the orchid we had and the flower bouquet in last year, or the bonsai tree. We will have more of these cool sets in 2023, and I'm really looking forward to getting these and building these. This one is one of the best of these items. The least, my least favorite one is the biggest one. I don't remember the name. The 100 euro set. The flower bouquet is very nice. The orchid is fantastic, and the bonsai tree is very good too. So this one is as good as all the others I mentioned before. My rating is 4 of 5 possible JB stars. Nearly 800 parts, a lot of fun to build, a fantastic a fantastic display set. You don't recognize that it's made out of Lego bricks. So yeah, the result, 4 or 5 JB stars. That's all for this video, because I cannot show you any minifigures or play functions here. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.